welcome to Shiva Sai's Perseverance Software Training Institute. So in this video we'll be looking into and understanding implementing Azure file shares. So basically before jumping into Azure file shares, firstly let's understand that see we need solutions like this as displayed in the slide, where these are all called as shared storage solutions. Meaning of that is, for example, this is a computer and this is another computer. So these both are running with the same application or same any other thing, right? Where they both need access to the same data. And for example, if we have 10 files here, the same 10 files should be replicated here, right? Because these two servers are working for the same application. See, it might be server, it might be bare metal server, meaning physical server, or virtual machine, anything is such, right? So whatever data is available here, it should be available here as well. So it should be automatically replicated. If something got added here, it should be added here. So now, so this kind of setup that's fine. Okay, with some sort of solution we'll do this. But what happens if the count of the servers got increased up to 100? That is one thing. It's not only 100, like multiple servers. That is one thing. And second thing is, what happens if all the servers have some damage or something, right? See, data is important wherever you are there, which application you are supporting. The data is much important, because without data we cannot do anything over there in any of the projects. So now the thing is, instead of handling the data within the servers here, we should have some centralized solution where the data will be actually here, and this will be automatically synced to the required servers. So this model is required. So when we see that with transitions, right? So we have something like /share on a centralized area, right? And here what we do is we'll map the /data path on all required servers to /share, and this /share is not here, the /share is the centralized /share. So now what happens is, the moment we add some data to the /share, if you see under /share we are adding something like img1, image1, it got automatically added here as well, right? It is vice versa, right? If you add something here also, that will be duplicated to /share. So this kind of system we need, and Azure have provided that kind of system using Azure Files Share solution. So it's actually not only provided by Azure. So this is one of the older technologies which is called as NFS and SMB. These are actually protocols. So network file system and server message block, right? So this works as the same, what we discussed until now. All right. So now what happens is, now Azure has given Azure file shares, which uses this SMB protocol, server message block protocol, and based on it we can enable this solution what we have discussed. So now just understand what is AFS now. So Azure File Shares is a service provided by Azure that allows you to create fully managed file shares in the cloud. So that's central what we discussed here, right, in this slide. So this will be our Azure cloud itself now. So we are not worried where it hosts the data, right, in which servers or how many servers, we are not worried. So Azure will be centralizedly hosting the data, and that will be accessed by the the required servers via SMB protocol. So actually AFS uses SMB protocol, even NFS works the same way. All right, fine. So this we can implement now. So here you can watch one of the video about storage accounts. So storage accounts is nothing but it is a service offered by Azure, within which we can work with different sort of storages from Azure. So go to storage account. So you can create one if not available. So let's create one. So create. All right. So yeah, there is some resource group called as ADO. Let it be. What is this resource group? It's simply a container kind of. So what is resource group on Azure? So it is simply a space where we can place virtual machines, storages, anything as such, IP addresses, right? Many things as such, right? Okay, so this concept is available only with Azure. So here you can create new if it is not available. So maybe we can create something like storage for apps, something like that. Okay, all right, storage apps, click on OK. So this is my resource group. You can give an account name for this. So now what happens? So within a resource group, we'll create some storage account within which we can use AFS service. So now, so storage app 1. Okay, see the field can contain only lowercase. Okay, so this hyphen is not allowed. Storage app 1 backup, something like that. You can keep anything. All right, so or you can keep so central storage app 1. Yeah, all right, this is fine. Now region, you can keep anything, right? It's according to you. So primary service, it's okay. This is optional. It's not mandatory. Leave it. And these are all plans from Azure. So you can go with standard for now. Premium is, it depends on the access speed, the bandwidth, latency, everything is such. Redundancy, we're going currently with the local. See, what are all this? Like where all we can host this data, meaning if you go with LRS, so within a single data center we can have our data. Okay, and if I go with GRS, it will be geo redundant and zone redundant, geo zone redundant, right? So all these are like in how many places. For example, this is a data center and this is a server, we have data here. So another data center with another server, storage, wherein we can host our data, right? So like this, we can select plans like low, redundant, right? Like that. So I'm just going with LRS. So lowest cost option with basic protection against server rack and drive failures, recommended for non-critical scenarios. So we can go with this if you want to get into the core crucial data management plans. So you should select these kind of stuff, right? Intermediate option or GRS with this one, ZRS, Geo Zone Redundant. See, it is all about hosting your data in multiple locations. It depends on that. Definitely the cost is varied. So now, yeah, we are good. So for now, you can just click on review plus create. This should be succeeded. So once this is succeeded, we'll test this. All right. So what we are doing now. So meanwhile, let's go here. So what we are doing. So this is our laptop now, right? This is my laptop, my personal laptop. So here, so on Azure, we will be creating an AFS system, an AFS within which we host some data. Okay, before hosting some data, what happens is after creating the AFS, we'll map this to our local laptop which I'm using. This is the one, this is my laptop, right? So now what happens is, like, if I place some data here, it will be automatically reflected here, and if I place something here, it will be there here. So my exact data space is from the cloud AFS. All right, so this practical we'll do now. So all right, I think this looks okay. So just click on create. So once this is created, all right, so yeah, all right, so the deployment is in progress. So let it gets create. So meanwhile, what we do, I'll show you some this PC. So if you see here, we have something like Windows C, Windows D. See, this you can ignore. So this is a test drive which was tested before, and if you see the cross mark, it is not available now. So now we just have C and D, and we should get one more new from the AFS that will test. So yeah, this is completed. So go to the resource. So this is our storage icon now, within which in the left pane, go to data storage, go to file shares. So here, so what you do, so good. So this is the one, right? So what we are doing now, so you can click a file share, create a file share, click on plus file share. So name this, so you can give central app one storage, something like that. And this is again the plans, how you access data. You can go through all those options, you can explore there. So this is input output operations and maximum capacity this can offer. So just click on review plus create. So once this is successful, just click on create. So now what we have done is, so we have created a storage account within which now we have just created a AFS. So see, this is our file share now. So go to your storage account. So click on your storage account. So here in the left pane, go to data storage. So here you select file shares. So you should get one just we got created now, right? We just created now, right? So select it. So here we do not have any data. You can go to browse option. So we do not have any data. So what we do, we will connect this AFS centralized share to our local system. So we should get something new. Maybe let's go to connect option. So our laptop is Windows. So see, it is in dry letter. You can keep anything. I'm just selecting V or anything as such, right? V or S, anything as such. So okay, let's select S then. Yeah, anything. So here, so you can just click. Both options are available for authenticating. So we'll simply going with storage account key. It uses a key, username, so and so to connect. So click on show script. So you'll be able to see the script here. So just click on copy and go to your PowerShell on your laptop. So this is our laptop now. We're going to PowerShell. Just click on, yeah, just right click and click on enter. All right, let's see. Yeah, this is waiting for the response. See, great. So if you see here, we have something like pass. This would be the pass key, and this is the username. See, if you see, it is central storage app one, what we have created, right? From this particular, service, we are getting this. Cool. See, it is added. Let's see. Go to your laptop. See, we got it, right? So it got actually mounted here, mounted in the sense, so that particular centralized storage is available now. So now this storage is not like the C or D. The C drive and D drive's capacity depends on this particular system, this local system. This, you got it right. C and D are actually from this local system. So I'm talking about the centralized one, which is available on our cloud solution, right? So this one, okay. For example, here no files found in our central data, right? Or in the browse option. So guys, let's create a directory. So storage app1 AFS, something like that. Click on OK. So here, and if you go to your local PC here under this particular storage, it should be available. Cool. So now, for example, we go to document or something. So, or else let's do one thing, right? So what happens is like, this is the way, this is our storage here. So let's do one thing. Go here, just click on upload. So browse for files and go to pictures or any screenshot, random one, right? Just click here. So this will be uploaded. All right. So now see, if you see 194305 is uploaded here on the cloud AFS storage, and you should see that locally on your machine, right? See, here it is already there. Cool. And this is one-way testing where we have uploaded to central and it is available in the local. Now let's upload in the local. So guys, now what happens is, this is our machine. So here this both are mapped now, right? So what happens is, like, I put the data here, it got automatically synced here. Now let's put some data here, it should sync here, right? So go to your storage. This is our central, and go to local storage, click on file explorer, this PC, go to the storage, right? And inside which, go here, just simply create a file, right click new text document, give some name, local file, enter. That's fine for us. This should be replicated on the storage, definitely. See, it is available. All right, fine guys. Yeah, thank you.